Alright. I'm already getting bit.
Oh, there's another one. Oh! You see that?
You're right by the bank.
Yeah, that one was. We hit it last minute. 3 in, I should have had 6 already on. I think you need to put one of these on.
What?
One of these reels like that.
After this, because I'm getting hit every time. Just like small little bumps. Got one. Yeah, a little dink.
A little dink right there.
Alright, buddy. Well, they're like a really skinny.
What?
They're like a really skinny fish. Come on, bucko. Here, I got my pliers on me.
What?
I got my pliers on me. There we go. Come here, buddy. Open your mouth. Alright, guys. First fish of the day. A small boy. But let's get a release on him. That's the wrong way. There we go. He's free. Wipe the GoPro off. Alright, well. Nah, I'll stick with the worm.
3-1.
It's alright.
See who wins at the end.
Holy crap, what the frick's that?
What was that?
Some tree just fell over, or a deer was moving, or something. One not in your... Okay. Alright. Oh, that was a big fish. Holy crap.
This is the worst line ever.
That's not the same fish. That's not the same fish, but I just got, like, my entire rod got pulled in. Oh, that was a big fish waiting out there. Hey, buddy, stop freaking jumping around. Spade. Whoa, that's some... Hey, buddy. Bud, just let the hook come out. Stop flopping around, buddy. Yeah. Trying to get the hook out of him, guys. There we are. Alright, guys, second fish of the day. Whole dink. Let's get our release on him. And there off he goes. Let's catch another one, guys. Yeah, dude, with the worm, it's 2 to 3.
Should have had 6.
And that thing has treble hooks too. How'd they come off?
Do what?
That thing has treble hooks. How'd they come off?
I don't know.
Area. 5-minute clip. Here.
You know one thing, there ain't no shade on this lake.
I know.
There he is. Oh, it came off.
Of course it did.
Dang. That was a little worm.
Yeah.
You were swimming with it for a while.
Keep losing them, dude.
Huh?
Keep losing them.
This reel casts so good.
Mine does cast better.
What?
Mine casts better.
There he is. There he is.
Is he a decent one?
Put that little better one right there.
Nope.
It's a dink. Dink 30.
I know, they fight. They fight like decent ones. Right out there. Let that one sink. Alright, well.
4-2.
Sure. It's about to be 4-3. Got him. Yeah. Hey, bud. Ooh, I hooked him. Not very good. You good, buddy? Bro, stop flipping around. Maybe I can help you. Yeah. Third fish of the day. Another dink. But hey, they're still fun to catch. Let's get our loose on him. And he's off. Go catch another one, boys. I'm running back to the truck and gonna grab another worm real quick because that one seems better days. Another one, dude? Ha! Bro, I just wait for them to like get it in their mouths like good, and then I set the hook. Yeah.
He felt like he had some weight to it, but who knows?
Hey, I'm gonna try these light green ones now.
They're way out there, man.
Dude, I'm catching ones right off the bank right here.
I'm catching them out in the middle.
Well, I don't even know, dude. I'm catching them right off the bank. Ah, these Gamakatsu hooks go crazy. Man, you ain't touching them. I'll put this little light green boy on. Let's see what I can catch with this thing.
Your rod working better now?
Yeah.
I can't remember where he told me they dug really deep. He said there's some spot where they dug real deep.
Oh, it's over there. I think. That's what he was telling me before.
There he is. Got him. Yeah. He came off. Time for another worm though.
Yeah, I just had to change up my worm.
At least they're biting.
Dude, I changed worms and I'm not getting nothing.
What color? Were you using the one I got? Or?
Oh, I was using that one, but I changed the light green and I'm not getting no bites.
My first cat. I'm gonna try a lizard.
Yeah, I have one in my pocket.
What?
I have a lizard in my pocket, so I can like change out through. Oh, I just have one. I still have one on me now. There we go. 4-4. We're even. Yeah, I have one. 4-4. We're even. Dude, this is some fun fishing right here. What?
No matter what color worm you use, I think they bite anything.
I know. That's so funny. This one doesn't even need pliers. There's a hole in his mouth. Dude, look how small this one is. He's so pretty though. Oh, buddy. Where did he go? They're like so fast. He was gone in like 2 seconds. Put that worm back together. Hey guys. Here, I'm gonna move down here a little bit. I'm going right here next to this pipe. Let's see. Am I getting bit already? Hold up. Hold up. You got one? Look at my pliers back down here. What? I will. Got one. It came off. Good? Dude, I just caught one and it came off too. I think that one I just caught was a good one too. This is some fun fishing, bro.
What?
We're fishing at a petting zoo. Or like an aquarium.
Pretty accurate.
Is that a fish? It's 1,000,000 freaking degrees outside.
Yeah, no, you need to put your thing on for you to taste this.
Alright.
My legs are gonna be baked.
Well, yeah, I'm kind of white anyways. I need to get 10.
There he is.
You got one? Is he decent?
First one on the lizard, huh?
Oh, that's on the lizard?
Yeah.
I can feel my legs baking.
Do what?
I can feel my legs cooking.
Five.
5? I'm switching back to the dark green pumpkin seed. Cause I caught 2 fish on that. I caught 3 fish on that, I think. Yeah. Skin hook it. That's good. We don't have any beads today, guys. Like, they are out of them at Walmart. Yeah. Oh, I'm coming. Oh yeah. Where?
Right in the middle of that hole. They took my weight, the worm, and the hook.
Guys, I think we're about to catch a monster. Right there?
Huh?
Right there?
Yeah, but close enough. Dadgummit.
Here, I'll recast.
Right there in the middle.
I bet.
That'll work.
Where?
Just cast it out there towards that corner.
What the frick?
I'm dead in the center. I'm gonna retie.
Oh yeah. Guys, I may be able to catch a big one. Oh my gosh! That was a nice one. Oh my gosh, dude. I keep not waiting. Right there. What the frick just happened? I just snapped off on your line.
Do what?
I snapped off on your line.
You didn't, because line didn't break. It just came right off at the hook set.
So you're sure that was a fish?
Huh?
You're sure that was a fish?
Oh, 1,000,000%. It was like boom, boom. Why you put one of those red lips? That's what I called them on.
Well, in the middle right there?
Well, I'm getting closer to it. I'm not throw it out there to the corner down there. Exactly. Now work it back through that hole. Right where I'm at now is where you put it. Crap on there. Right there. It's a little small one, but I got one. That's the hole that he was in though.
What the frick's on there, bro?
On red shad.
Yeah.
I've come to realize it don't matter what color you're using here. They freaking hit it all. What'd you throw at?
I mean, right there. I'm right here in the middle of the hole.
Thought that hang about a 4 or 5 pounder. Work it slow right through that hole.
Oh, hold on.
Oh!
Came off. That was a freaking nice one. That was a nice one too, bro. Oh, I did not mean to cast over you like that.
Just work it slow.
That was a nice fish. Oh my God, I got something.
What?
I had something on the first for a second.
There's a million little peckerheads in here.
I know. I'm in the perfect spot right now.
Yep.
I got snagged on something.
Might be some trash in there.
Easily. Oh, are you serious?
What?
That was a nice fish too. Had to be decent. I just watched out for ant piles because there's a lot of ant piles in this grass.
I want to get back towards that back corner still. That's the way I want to go.
Papa caught his, the biggest one he caught over there where that bench is.
I caught was right here in this corner right here. Throwing out in the middle of that cove. Last time we were down here.
How big was he?
He's probably 3.5 pounds.
Dang.
You want to get your bag and start walking that way?
After this cast.
Yeah. Shade.
My line just went out.
What?
My line just went out.
Usually that means there's one on there. Reeled down and jerk. Sometimes they let go, but though.
Yeah, he let go.
They feel tension.
What the frick is on my line? I had crap on it. Yeah.
Make sure your hook's not out. Your hook's probably catching stuff. I see some black stuff on it too. Make sure your hook's not hanging over the line.
It is. Well, I skin hook it sometimes.
What?
Well, I skin hook it sometimes. It's skin hooked. It's like actually 1,000,000 degrees out here.
Yeah. Fly over here and skating spot. Find a little field. We should fish this hole out.
Yes, we need to. Because we know there's a big fish in there somewhere. Oh, I just got hit. Right on that corner, too.
It's like zero trees on it, really, for shade.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I just had something I'm gonna do.
Ooh, there you go. Oh, on your head.
Hey, no, he's pretty decent, actually.
What's that, 5, 6 now?
You have 6?
That's it.
Oh. Where my other? Hey, this is not a bad one, all right? He's mid. Oh, dang. Ow, buddy. You just made me hook myself, buddy. I'll put you back if you let me grab you. Okay. I'll throw him back. I gotta somehow get my hands in the water.
Be careful when you do that, don't make a snake's head pop out of that.
Oh yeah. I've done that before at the lake in the neighborhood. Yeah, it was a bad idea. Set my hand in the water and a snake comes slithering out. Okay, skin hook it. And get a gas. Cast it over you. Here, go under me.
You're good. Get out of the way. I should have probably had, what, 11 fish, 12, actually no, I should have about 13 fish. They're biting pretty good.
Oh,
Got him?
holy crap, he hit hard. I think that was a big fish you were talking about.
Pretty sure it's one on my budget seems to do pretty good here.
Everything does good here. The sun's behind the clouds right now, so it's a little bit nice outside now.
Yeah, we have a lot more shade triple now, but we wouldn't call it like you probably wouldn't even call it fish by now.
Oh, I know. Oh, hold on. Do I have something? No. Here, I'm gonna go on the other side.
Oh, there he is. Ah, you what now?
I'm gonna go on the other side after this cast, and I'm gonna cast this way. I'm gonna work it back that way.
Well, I had a little one on there.
Oh my gosh! It went doom doom.
What's funny though is even these little fish feel like big fish when they hit.
Yeah.
Usually when you set the hook and it just is like, boom, and it don't throw it, got some weight on it.
You ain't testing me. Yeah, I'm gonna cast right here real quick. I will. Nah, kind of a stupid idea. What? Here, I'll lift up. I'm getting hit, I'm getting hit.
It's me, Jason. You're over my line. Here, just hold on for a minute. We done fudged up now. Let's just lock up. If we get this out, I'll be surprised.
Well. You got it? Oh, do you have to cut yours off? Sorry. Did you see that? My bad.
Come on, man.
Where you going?
Let's go to the very end down there.
Alright.
Down that cove. So once we fish all the way back this way, we'll get in the truck and ride around the other side. I want to fish that peninsula that comes out.
Yeah.